Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial from Biggerplate.com showing you how to get started and begin building mind maps using Ayoa. Now for the purposes of this tutorial we're going to come over to this branch that says building your map, and if we click on this and open it out we've got the relevant content. Now the first thing to bear in mind is that we're going to be working in the speed map view, but you can also apply the same learning from this tutorial and future tutorials to the organic map view, which just gives you a slightly more hand-drawn free-form mind map view. But this, as I say, the functionality and the learning is largely the same. Now to add branches in your Ayoa mind map, you simply use the return or enter key to create a sibling branch. So for example, if I click on this topic that says sibling branch and hit the return key, it gives me another branch on the same level. So I can put in here sibling and hit return again to confirm that. If I want to create a child branch or build outwards, create a branch lower than the one I'm working on, I can hit the tab or insert key depending on whether I'm using a Mac or a PC. And you'll see it creates this branch on a lower level, and this is what we call a child branch. You also have the option of using these two green icons to the right hand side of your branch. So this plus icon will give you another child branch, so a branch that builds outwards. So this is a child. And then this one with the little return symbol will give us a sibling branch. So again, a branch on the same level. So if I click that, it'll give us this sibling. You also have the option to click and drag where you would like your new branch to go. So for example, if I hover over this plus icon, I can decide I want my new branch to go above, in the middle, or below the branches that we already have there. So we'll pop that one below, and that's another child branch. To move your branches, you simply click and drag them where you would like them to go. So if we come down to this Moving Branches branch, and click on this Click and Drag branch, I can click and move that wherever I'd like in the map. Now you'll see when you hover it near other branches, you get 3 dots. You either have this dot on the top of the branch, in the middle, or below. The branches on top or below suggest that it'll be moving the branch that you're currently moving either above or below that. However, if I hover it over the middle and we get this dot in the middle and let go of it now, you'll see it becomes a child branch, so it reattaches to that branch that you've just hovered over. To delete branches, you simply click on the branch you wish to delete and use the backspace or delete key, like so, and it's gone. What you may notice is if you try and delete branches that have children, like this one here, if I hit delete, it'll give us this little pop-up that says this branch contains 3 child branches, and you have the option of either deleting everything or just deleting the parent topic that you selected and keeping the children below it. So for example, if I click that, you'll see the children topics have survived and just reattached to the next parent topic, if that makes sense. Hopefully this is all you need to get started using Ayoa and start building out simple mind maps. For more Ayoa templates, tutorials and training, visit biggerplate.com.